mind, he would stop acting and be a prime minister. That you should answer.
Thank you so much. That's very, I don't know, but you see, the show can only carry, my grandfather used to say that if you are telling the truth, you don't have to remember it. So I was asking them questions where they did not. So when Shah Rukh is describing the moment he was praying in that car park and his mother was in the ICU, I saw in his eyes that whole scene playing. No show, and in no show I have promoted any film. There is no promotion of the film because that was not the purpose. Because if I had promoted a film, they would have come with this thought. So I must thank him for trusting me, and I must thank my reputation. He said perfectionist. I think more than perfectionist, I stick to the truth, and at this stage, I don't need to do anything else. So it's something, this will be a lifetime experience for me. The team, the people who got involved with it. Ashim sent me a message. Ashim Sen, who was the online editor, he sent me a message. He said, and he has done all shows. He does Jhalak and he does all reality shows. He says, this is one show which I will carry with me for the rest of my life. Because it changed people's life. It changed the life of the guests also while that show was going on. Because when you revisit your life, it makes you feel how much have you moved on from there. Yes, please.
And that means this, what we just saw, I think if you compare it with all the other episodes, this may turn out to be the best, what we just had a live of.
Thank you, thank you. This is talking about us.
Yeah, I know.
The show could be the best.
If my programming programming head agrees, we'll make it 13th episode.
Thank you so much. You know, this was the frightening thing you said, because next show, kuch bhi ho sakta, you can be seeing the Raj Nayak show, and I will be in the audience.
It is hota hai nahi, it is ho gaya hai. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Mic de diye wo piche, sir ko.
Hello.
Yes, we'll come to you.
Hello.
Thoda tez chalo.
Hi, sir. Yo.
Yeah, good evening to all. This is Raj from media. Anupam ji, I'd like to ask you that सफलता और असफलता आपके लिए क्या मायने रखती है?
देखिए, सफलता प्रोफेशन में आती जाती है, सफलता जिंदगी में बरकरार रहती है। मैंने तो पूरा प्ले अपनी असफलताओं पर किया है। मेरे हिसाब से जो चीज़ें जिंदगी में असफलताएं सिखाती हैं, वो सफलता नहीं सिखाती है। According to me, success is very one-dimensional. Failure has many dimensions if you try and take it, analyze it, and if you take it in the right sense. My father was a very funny man. He used to say, अरे फर्स्ट तो सब आते हैं यार, पर फर्स्ट आने वाले को टेंशन होती है, हर साल फर्स्ट आना होता है। जो 58th आता है उसको कोई टेंशन नहीं, वो नेक्स्ट टाइम 47th आ सकता है, 35th आ सकता है, 18th आ सकता है। So I have never taken failure very seriously at all. Yes, please.
One last question, please.
Hi, sir. Yeah.
Yes.
Do you think this show is the answer?
Raise your hand, please.
Yeah.
I can't hear. No, there is a lady. Huh?
Yeah. Do you think the Anupam Kher show is India's answer to the David Letterman show?
No, David Letterman's show will be the answer of Anupam Kher show. Why should I be? Not at all. Not at all. I don't think David Letterman's show has a heart. He's a great chat show host, but I see lack of heart in it. Because it's a daily show, he can't put his heart in it. But I think it's a better show, and I'm not saying it with arrogance. I'm saying it with a lot of love for David Letterman and a lot of respect for him. No, I don't think, it cannot be copy of anybody. So anybody from the media who wants to make in comparison, Anupam ka matlab hota hai not somebody who can't be compared to anybody. So good or bad, this is my show. And I'm ready to take the, if it's not good, it's because of me. If it's good, because of everybody else.
राज मनीष इंडिया टीवी से। राज, ये जानना चाहेंगे हम कि संडे को 8 बजे शो टाइम रखी गई है, उसी टाइम पे बाकी चैनल्स के भी कई बड़े शोज चलते हैं, तो ये और शो लॉन्च हो रहा है और शो ऑन एयर जाएगा उसी टाइम पे, इतना बड़ा रिस्क क्यों? क्योंकि कुछ भी हो सकता है।
नहीं देखो,